Hello friends, this is the charger board of a Ampere vehicle battery charger 66 volt. In this charger, when putting the power, the spark is occurring inside the board. The tracks are shorted together, and in this board the tracks are burned out and some spares are to be changed, and very difficult to attend this complaint. Okay, I show you how to repair the tracks and all. We remove the all spares in the board where it is the spark is occurring. See here, the diode is showing short. Okay, this is the MOSFET connection. See, I showing you this is the SMPS board, and the tracks are sparked somewhere, and I remove the spares, and I seen the tracks are to be where is it is to be wired. The choke coil is to be removed. Carefully it is to be done. Okay, the choke coil is the PF, and here the tracks are to be burned out. No, in this place all carbon material is to be removed by using the knife. Okay, and how much track we need to be cut, that also be removed. Okay, and the carbonized place is to be cleaned by the thinner, and cleanly washed all the board where we put a thinner. No, okay. the track continuity is to be checked, where the tracks are burned out. Here the track connection is to be showing. Okay, the two tracks are to be make outside of the board. This PCB is to be removed. The high voltage is getting shorted here. Okay, these two diodes is also be removed, and check the diodes whether it is short or not. These two diodes are bidirectional diodes. I checking these diodes and removed the diode and check it by the meter. The work is done by the 50 watts solder gun, and please careful to do this work. See here, the two diodes are showing another continuity. I put a new diodes. Okay, both sides is not showing anything. Okay, this is good. and check the board in core test method there is any short or not, and put all the spares what you are removed by the board, and all connection is to be firmly connected. Okay, these two wires are jumped what we are cut the PCB board. Okay, thank you, thank you for watching. Please share this video to your friends.